Patingin nga, patingin.
So these are the peeled corn.
Ha? Patingin.
Yan. Akala ko. Good morning, everyone. It has been hot lately here, and some of my plants have been dying. Meron pa akong talong. I do have an eggplant here, but we had like one day it was 110 degrees. But let me show you. Oh yeah, ginagawa niyo ba to? Do you do this with your eggplant and tomatoes, where I just read this from another Facebook or page, where they shake it so that, I don't know, something about the pollen or something about a male female flower. It helps. I don't know. Let me know if you do it. If you shake the tomato and eggplant for it to have more fruit. Just curious. Right. Let me show you what's happening to my corn. It's because of the hot weather. Natutuyo now. Is this hopeless? There's a lot of fruits, but it's drying. See here? But there's still a lot of fruits. Because of the heat. Look. Dry. It is dry. That one's dry. Let's try to open this up. Ooh. Ang linggam. Can this be salvaged as a popcorn? This looks good though, even though it's small. Maybe I can still boil this. Same here. Whoa. Because I was thinking that it was gonna be big, but these are small, pero parang okay naman. I'll try to cook it.
Patingin nga, patingin.
So these are the peeled corn.
Ha? Patingin.
Yan. Akala ko mas malaki pa eh. Yan lit. Kita mo yung lit nito. Pero ano naman, buo naman.
Abnoy.
Pero dry na yung sa labas nung anong tawag na yung takip nila. Kaya inani ko. Ito, bakit kulang ito? Bungi-bungi oh. Mga katoto. Bakit kulang ito? Comment below. Pero kompleto naman itong maliliit. Akala ko kasi lalaki pa eh. Okay. A Saturday afternoon, I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'll take you along with me and get some lighting for the garage. And also go to Best Buy and get my new camera, as I busted my Sony. So we're here in Home Depot. I did order online, so we're gonna take advantage of the curbside pickup. Number 2. Okay, so we're gonna confirm that we're here. Parking spot number 2.
I sent you a receipt. Could you please take that survey, please?
What's that?
I sent you an email receipt.
Okay.
It's a text survey. It'll help me a lot.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
got it. Okay. So it's pretty easy. So it was pretty easy. Just order online, go to the in front of the store, then text them that you're on the spot, and then they're gonna take out your merchandise, and you're off. So let's do the same thing in Best Buy. All right. In Best Buy. We'll wait for our item. I ran out of battery, but I got my camera, and it is again loyal Sony RX100V. It's just that I have half a dozen batteries already, so might as well get the same camera, and I'm used to this camera. Alright, I'll use this tomorrow. Alright.
Benji B is the man. Share this vlog with everyone, alright?